When we talk about the smart cities, we do not only talk about smart streetlights, traffic lights, and security cameras. We also talk about smart procedures and systems. We talk about smart ways of business and commerce. A city can be termed as smart when businesses and services are smart. New technologies are used to promote local businesses and services, and we make the city self-sustained. One way of promoting local businesses and services, not only among citizens of the city, but to external world too, is to bring all such businesses and services online. In times when mobility is becoming difficult day by day and footfalls on businesses are decreasing by days, we need to bring more customers and clients in the form of eyeballs. This can be done by creating online business options. One certain way of doing this is creating websites. But there are billions of websites competing each other to be seen. Small businesses and services cannot create websites which appear on the first few pages of search engines. They can do it only by putting a regular amount of money for website promotions, which is not possible for small businesses and services. One solution for this is through shared economy. If we create a composite web portal which incorporates all the businesses and services into one, it is more likely to be visited by many. Once such entity gets popular among net users, small businesses and services have a better chance of being seen. We propose to make a virtual city where visitors can visit like a real city. Every information would be available in visual form, resembling a real-life situation. This way, even non-technical and semi-literate users can use this portal. Our proposal is to create a web portal about the city, which presents following to the users in a visual format. 1. All the information about the city, including history, geopolitical data, weather data, topography, and every other information about the city as a whole, which any visitor would like to know. 2. All the services, including government services, public services, and emergency services. This would cover all government departments in visual format, link of their websites, public services, like public transport, civil services, public buildings, emergency services, like police, medical, and fire services. In short, we incorporate visual information about all services relating to the citizens of the city. By visual information, we mean to say 360 panoramic visuals of every building, and embedding information in the form of text, audio, video and web links about each place. Visitors navigate from one visual to the next to visit a place. 3. Information about places of interest, like parks, historical buildings, religious buildings, museums, and other buildings of tourist interests, or any other place which visitors from other cities would like to visit. We create visual panoramic tours of such places and embed detailed information about them. Visitors can even do procedures like buy tickets or make reservations for such places online through our portal. 4. Information about major businesses of the city. For the extent of this presentation, we would concentrate on this aspect only. This is a highly effective way of promoting local businesses and services and making cities self-reliant. Once visitors click any business or service type, an interactive map shows the location of major clusters of the desired item across the city. Upon clicking one such location, visitors are transported to a virtual tour of the area. In addition to the information about that particular cluster of business or service, this virtual tour would have information about every business, service, building or place. Visitors can access this information just by clicking that location. Visitors navigate through the area by clicking on roads in any direction. Basic information would be provided about each business or service, as shown in the presentation. If any business or service intends to extend the information, they can do so by getting individual virtual tours created at their expenses. These individual tours then would be linked to the main tour. Even if any visitor is seeking a particular class of business or service, information and visuals about other businesses and services would be available to them additionally. This would resemble as they are taking a physical walk in the said area. When an individual virtual tour is available, visitors can visit that location interactively. The individual virtual tours can carry extensive information to the extent of even e-commerce options. Our virtual city would resemble a real city through visuals. In addition, visitors get a detailed amount of information about each location, business, and service available in the city. This way, even the smallest businesses and services could be made visible to people across the world. Since all the information, services, places or procedures associated with the city would be embedded in the portal, there is no doubt that it would be visited by many online, making it popular. Its popularity would help all small businesses and services to excel and prosper. Then only we can say our city is smart.